Hey everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you if you are facing any problem related to Valorant not starting or showing any problem or facing any error to play the game. So first of all you need to go to your task manager and see if there's any app is on related to Valorant, and if so then you have to end that task and just search for services on the search menu, services, and then you have to click enter, and then you just have to right click on any of the options and search for VGC and VGC. I have not installed the Valorant, so you will find the VGC and just click on properties and just select the startup type to automatic and just apply and click OK, and then you should be good to go and just relaunch the Valorant app as run as and by clicking it on run as administrator, and there you have it. Your Valorant game is live, and if this video helped you, then please like, subscribe and comment below. Till the next video.